Hi everyone, hi brothers, and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And after a long time I was just thinking about how I can share my experience. Recently I got my AWS Cloud Captain swag, so I just want to share with you guys. And I just want to thank you all of your support and all of your blessings that could get me to this position. And yeah, hopefully you will like this channel and subscribe it all. Also follow if for more such updates. And for this opportunity I get, I didn't know I will be selected for this opportunity. I was just glad that I can't say in words that how much I was excited to be a part of this AWS community, and looking forward with you guys how you get supported, and also you'll get excited opportunity. So still till to the end. And let's start with the unboxing with the AWS swag kit that I received recently. And yeah, let's get started. So before I will just start with my unboxing, I just want to share with you guys if you also or if you want to explore more in the cloud and the AWS suite the DevOps and engineering, so you can also explore the this basically application on your own basis. So you can also apply for it. And yeah, so let's start with this. So as you can see guys, here is my kit. If I can show you, and literally I was very excited to open it. So start it. So as you can see, here's the box, and this is from the So guys, here we will start with the unboxing. So as you can see, this was beautifully packed up with the foil. As you can see, it is picture, and here's the t-shirt and one cute swag which was given by the community. And here's the jacket and more. And this is the power cushions that was only for the for the safety purposes that you can use. So yeah, that's it. So let me just push it down. And yeah, so you can see this is the back. And yeah, the most important one is the bright sunlight. So this was the kit given by the this is the ring light and a microphone combo, as you can see. So we will open it this one. So are you excited? Let's start. So guys, there's the here's the kit, ring light and microphone combo. So let's open it. So here you can go, this cute gift by the community. The microphone that which I have given, and for the event purposes. And this is the mic that I have given, and this is the light that you can just on recording you can just put it on in the front of your camera. And yeah, that's it. And in the inner part here's the all sets that was given by the team. So yeah, that's it. So this is the whole I got from the community. So hope to see you guys in the next video. And if you like it, just don't forget to subscribe and follow for upcoming events and tech related events. So see you soon. If you enjoyed the video, and just follow for more such updates, and keep showing your love and support to me. And yeah, so till then, enjoy the video.